Hey guys, this is Ayana, the Thrifting Diva, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you this project that I completed. It's my $25 kitchen island that I thrifted from Goodwill and changed it over into a fabulous closet island that I absolutely love. So stick around, watch the video, subscribe if you like, hit the like button at the bottom, or just check me out on my other social media, Thrifting Diva. Okay, here we go. When I first decided that I wanted to create my closet in the basement, the first thing I wanted to do was to get a closet island for the middle piece, since I had a big space in the middle and wanted to really use that so I can add extra storage and just, it's cute. Who doesn't want a closet island? So I started looking, and oh my goodness, those things are so expensive. We're looking at upwards of $800 to $1,000 for a cute piece, and I was just like, that is not what the Thrifting Diva is about. Spending a lot of money when we can figure out different ways to save money. So I just started thinking, hey, why not just get a kitchen island, which is pretty much what I believe that they're both the same thing. And do, you know, just rehab it a little bit. So I started searching everywhere, all my Goodwills, all my thrift stores that sell furniture, until I found this one. And it took me about, I would say, a month to 2 months. I think it was 2 months of searching to find one until I came upon one. And I found this one, $25. And I was so impressed with this find. I was like, yes, thrift gods were looking out. So here is my kitchen island, now my closet island, that I got from actually Goodwill. It was $25, but it absolutely did not come looking like this. It came in this old-fashioned brown color. I knew the size was perfect, but I needed to paint it so that it can match the decor in my closet. I painted it this beautiful chalk paint color, and I'll link the information on the color below, but I believe it was Florence, and it took about 2 coats of paint, and that's the color that it came out. Absolutely love this color. Of course, I changed out the knobs, and I got my knobs from Tuesday Morning and just pop those in. Very easy, and that's how that came out. Now, I'll just show you a little bit of how big the storage is in here and how you could see the color of what the wood looked like on the outside before it was painted. But this is how long. It's a lot of storage. I mean, rightfully so, it was a kitchen island, and so it should have a lot of storage in there. This was the old knob, actually, and obviously boring. Nothing to it compared to what the new one looks like. Okay, now I'll show you a little glimpse inside. Also a lot of storage back there, and I really in here haven't really done a great fabulous job yet of organizing, because some of my office supplies are in here, my wigs are in there, and once I get my desk downstairs to the basement to put all my office things, I'll be able to clear up in here. Now, this marble countertop, it's actually a tile, it's actually a contact paper, marble contact paper that I got from Amazon. I'll also leave the link to the contact paper. It just takes some patience in putting it down, but oh my goodness, what a huge difference this made. When I originally got this kitchen island, it has this nasty, old-fashioned tile, and I didn't know what I was going to do to cover that until I figured out, after doing some research on YouTube, that I can just get contact paper, and much more cheaper than doing anything else, and I love it. Now, I get dressed down here, so all my makeup is on this area, and I have these acrylic makeup holders. If you can see that. Open some. Now, I'm not a makeup guru, but I do like makeup. And so I got these acrylic holders from Amazon, and I'll leave the link to that. I got this one, actually, this piece where I have basically all lipsticks and lip glosses, and I got that from Marshall's, and that was, I believe, under $10. And I have some of my brushes in a mug that one of my friends had given me, and this is where I have the other brushes. Now this is actually where my palettes are. So they do not fit, as you can see. They are too long to fit in the acrylic holders. So these are just letter holders that I got thrifted. And then they were black, and I just spray painted them gold so they can match. And this is just some little decor that I have here. Actually, these plates came from Goodwill as well, and they were two. I got two pieces. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other piece on the bottom, but there were really two pieces, and these were less than $2. This tower over here that I have like creams and my moisturizers and stuff like that. This is actually also from Goodwill, and spray painted. It came white, and I spray painted it gold, the same spray paint that I use for this piece here. Gold is kind of the accent color in here, so I have a lot of things spray painted to just match and make everything look unified. And now, one more thing I wanted to show you that I was really excited when I found them are the bar stools. And if you can see, these, I have two, one on each side. And these bar stools actually came from Goodwill. They came in a silver color, and I spray painted them gold, the legs gold. They actually were $6 a piece, and they're real leather and in immaculate condition. All I literally had to do was wipe it down, and absolutely love that. One last thing is, because I'm a fanatic about organization and making sure there's a place for everything, is this really cool box. It's really not cool, but it's just a good box that I have, and I keep my, it helps with giving me some height in here on the table. But I got this box from Tuesday Morning, and it was $6.99, and inside is all, I keep a lot of makeup bags and things like that. So when I'm going out, or if I'm, going away for the weekend or need to put things in there, those are all little makeup bags in there. And just really nice and put away. And I just like being able to find things quickly, but also that things are organized and pretty even when organized. So that is how that looks like that when it puts back together. And that really is the extent of this beautiful kitchen island. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that it inspired you to, think outside the box, for one, and two, understand that you can save a lot of money by hitting up your Goodwill often to see what new things they have, and just what a little bit of paint and some extra thought can do into saving you money. If you like the video, if you love the video, please hit the like button below. Please subscribe, and you can always follow me on Instagram, Thrifting Divas, or Facebook, Thrifting Diva. Until next time, bye!